sisi tulilelewa time ya fear. In fact sisi tulikuwa tunaambiwa children are not to be seen
or hard.
They are just for work. Tunaambiwa wangu
Nilikuwa wafanyikazi.
bas zingine tunaambiwa children are to be heard, are to be seen, not to be heard. Sikuja kupiga kelele, especially sana kulikuwa na wageni. So me by the for a very long time nimegrow up nikijua mtu apigangi kelele kwenye kuna wageni. If you don't excuse yourself, if you use those lessons right now, unafundisha mtoto wako, please say excuse me when I'm with my friends, ndio?
Ni kweli.
But it is not as hard as venye sisi tulifundishwa. No, it's very soft. It's a casual conversation. In
The
fact,
outcome is still the same.
exactly. It's not the same. It's not the same.
Really?
Yes, because now one thing about respect, it breaches the wall of maturity, because you have broken down that communication to the level of a kid. Mtoto ameelewa kenye unasema, even approach yake si robotic, it is now natural. For example, unaweza kuwa unabonga na mabeste wako, uone mtoi wako amekam, he instantly knows how to interject, but not directly. Unaonanga anakuja anaanza kuingia polepole, anataka kukuita. That is respect. And I think hapo ndio kwenye tumefika kwa nini zetu, kwa most of our relationships. But the problem is tuna learn respect for the kids, but not for both of us. Juu by the time mi siwezi kuambia honest conversation, mi na wewe niko lojo, najua tulikuwa tumebonga hii story, na nilikuambia ile siku nitakupigia gidhaa kama hiyo juu nimekula do yangu ya lojo, si ukuja nitoe.
Na Baiko, to add on that point of yours, kuna statements sijui ka Nigeria amesema nani Rafi, that kids are normally, they know whom they are around with.
Yes.
Sindio? Now, for our generation, we couldn't tell our parents where the problem comes, where we have a problem, where we have an issue with. We used to go to our uncles, ama cousins who are older than us.
Now wana distort
But
information.
What are to distort? Remember, at the end of the day, when it comes to molesting a kid, the person who will molest the kid is the person closest to that kid.
Was more contact and access.
So, your uncle will end up molesting you, your auntie will end up molesting you, your cousin, older cousin will end up molesting you because you had confined to them.
True.
How can I expect them
Because
say
now
ndio
they see
atakufanyia?
you as a point of vulnerability.
Yes. That's when we said the fear and the respect in our generation
Were two
wasn't.
different.
Were two different things. As we are taught to fear the parents
As a form of respect.
as a form of respect. Now, because I fear I can't come to you as a parent and tell you, Manze, this is what is happening to me. I'll go to my uncle or my cousin. Now, I go there, niko vulnerable completely. No.
They take advantage of
you.
that.
Alafu unajua huwezi rudi tena kusema ati
Huwezi enda kwa
ameteka
daddy.
advantage. Ndio ndo umetumwa. As in that is the higher power, kama high court sasa. And I feel tukikuja kwa hii conversation ya married men and what was it, being a boy, I feel that is the conversation that is missing. Ya yeye kuelewa that it is not now about fear, it is about respect. Kusema ukweli, what is bad about wanting a woman?
Nothing.
Si go and tell her, man, fanya hivi, mi niko na msee lakini unakaa fiti. Naona nini inaweza happen between the two of us.
But it's respecting that person enough to telling them the truth.
Exactly. Hiyo ndio kitu ya kwanza unafaa kuanza nayo. There's something I used to say, like, ilikuwa inakaa absurd, but I found that the hard way. In the sense that mi nikiwa na dem, if there are drinks involved, and I know something is going to happen, takuuliza unataka tufanye kitu sahihi ama ukilewa.
Smart.
But also remember, Baiko, rejection, who can't handle rejection?
Exactly.
No. And you second guess yourself. Let's say Njeri say, I want to approach Njeri, but I second guess myself, will she accept or she'll not? Now I go approach her with fear of, already in Shaya mentality, she'll reject me.
Can I take you on a very small rabbit hole as to we are closing?